Today we're going to be making sushi from scratch. Of course, the two most important ingredients in sushi are rice and seaweed, or nori. You can see the ones I used here. Then, of course, the fillings. Today I'm going to be showing you two very simple fillings. The first one is spicy tuna. Start with tuna, then add mayo, sriracha, rice vinegar, chili oil, finely chopped scallions, and mix it all together. Then, finely chop a cucumber and an avocado. Then it's time to assemble. Take your nori, smooth side down, and put it on a bamboo mat. Spread some rice, and add your filling. Here I'm going to be making California roll. It consists of crab, avocado, and cucumber. Make sure not to overstuff, or else your roll will completely fall apart. Once you have all your fillings in, start to roll it. Make sure to roll it as tight as you can so nothing falls out. Then, once your roll is rolled, take a wet knife and slice it. And there you have it, perfect sushi made right from your home. Remember to like if you liked and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.